Did you know the right bedroom plants can actually help you sleep better, breathe cleaner air, and feel more relaxed every single day? Most people think plants are only for decoration, but some indoor plants have amazing wellness benefits that can completely transform your bedroom into a peaceful sanctuary. Imagine falling asleep surrounded by calming scents, cleaner oxygen, and natural beauty that reduces stress after a long day. In this video, we're revealing 6 of the best bedroom plants that not only look stunning but can also improve your health and overall wellness. Some of these plants are incredibly easy to care for, even if you've never owned a plant before. Make sure you stay until the end because the final plant is known for its relaxing fragrance and sleep-supporting powers. Let's bring nature into your bedroom and discover the best plants for a healthier, happier home. Number 1. Snake plant, the oxygen booster. The snake plant is one of the most recommended bedroom plants because of its incredible ability to release oxygen during the night. Unlike many houseplants that mainly produce oxygen during the daytime, the snake plant continues improving air quality while you sleep. This makes it a popular choice for people who want a fresher, cleaner bedroom environment. Its tall green leaves with yellow edges also create a stylish modern look that fits almost any bedroom decor style. Another reason people love snake plants is how easy they are to care for. They thrive in low light, tolerate dry conditions, and don't need frequent watering. In fact, overwatering is usually the only thing that harms them. This makes them perfect for beginners or busy people who may forget regular plant care. Snake plants may also help reduce indoor toxins found in furniture, paint, and household products. Place one near your bed or by a bedroom window for the best results. With minimal effort, this hardy plant can improve both your space and your wellness. Number 2. Lavender, the stress-relieving plant. Lavender is famous around the world for its calming scent and relaxing effects. Many people use lavender oils, candles, or sprays to improve sleep, but having a real lavender plant in your bedroom adds natural beauty along with its soothing fragrance. The soft purple flowers instantly create a peaceful atmosphere that feels calm and comforting after a stressful day. The scent of lavender is often associated with relaxation and stress relief. Many people believe it helps reduce anxiety, calm the mind, and support better sleep quality. Placing lavender near your bedside or sunny bedroom window can make your room feel like a personal spa retreat. Lavender loves bright sunlight and grows best near a window with several hours of light each day. It also prefers slightly dry soil, so avoid overwatering it. Besides its wellness benefits, lavender adds elegant color and freshness to your room decor. It's one of the best plants for creating a cozy, relaxing bedroom space that supports both mental wellness and restful sleep. Number 3. Aloe vera, the healing bedroom plant. Aloe vera is more than just a decorative succulent. It's often called a healing plant because the gel inside its thick leaves is commonly used for soothing burns, dry skin, and irritation. Keeping aloe vera in your bedroom gives you a useful natural remedy while also improving your indoor environment. One of the biggest reasons aloe vera is perfect for bedrooms is its ability to release oxygen at night. This can help create fresher air while you sleep. Its compact size and clean green appearance also fit beautifully into modern, minimalist, or cozy bedroom designs. Whether placed on a shelf, nightstand, or windowsill, aloe vera adds a refreshing natural touch. Caring for aloe vera is very simple. It prefers bright, indirect sunlight and only needs occasional watering because its leaves store water naturally. Too much water can damage the roots, so letting the soil dry out between watering is important. For people looking for a low-maintenance plant with both beauty and wellness benefits, aloe vera is an excellent choice for any bedroom. Number 4. Peace lily, the air-purifying beauty. The peace lily is one of the most elegant indoor plants you can place in a bedroom. Its glossy green leaves and beautiful white flowers instantly create a calm and luxurious atmosphere. Beyond its appearance, the peace lily is loved for its air-purifying qualities, making it a favorite plant for healthier indoor living. Many people choose peace lilies because they may help remove certain indoor pollutants from the air. Bedrooms often contain invisible toxins from furniture, cleaning products, or paint, and plants like the peace lily can help improve the environment naturally. It may also slightly increase humidity levels, which can be beneficial for people who experience dry skin or irritation from air conditioning. Peace lilies are also relatively easy to care for. They grow well in low to medium light and prefer lightly moist soil. One helpful feature is that their leaves droop slightly when they need water, making care simple even for beginners. With its combination of beauty, easy maintenance, and wellness benefits, the peace lily is one of the best plants for creating a peaceful bedroom retreat. Number 5. Spider plant, the easy beginner plant. The spider plant is one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly houseplants you can own. Its long, arching leaves with green and white stripes add a fresh, lively look to any bedroom. Whether hanging in a basket or sitting on a shelf, the spider plant instantly brightens the room and creates a relaxing, natural atmosphere. One reason this plant is so popular is because it adapts well to many indoor conditions. It tolerates indirect sunlight, occasional mist watering, and different room temperatures, making it ideal for busy lifestyles. It's also known for being fast-growing and producing baby plants called spiderettes that can easily be propagated into new plants. Spider plants are often associated with cleaner indoor air and improved room freshness. Their cheerful appearance can also make bedrooms feel more welcoming and calming. They require only moderate watering and indirect light to thrive. For anyone starting their indoor plant journey, the spider plant is an excellent low-maintenance option that combines beauty, simplicity, and wellness benefits in one easy care plant. Number 6. Jasmine, the sleep-supporting plant. Jasmine is one of the most beautiful and fragrant plants you can add to a bedroom. Known for its delicate white flowers and sweet scent, jasmine creates a calming atmosphere that helps transform your bedroom into a peaceful sanctuary. Many people love jasmine not only for its appearance, but also for the relaxing feeling its fragrance brings to a space. The scent of jasmine is often connected with reduced stress and better sleep quality. After a long and busy day, entering a room filled with the gentle aroma of jasmine can feel incredibly soothing. Its fragrance may help create a calm, nighttime environment that supports relaxation and emotional wellness. Jasmine grows best in bright indirect light and prefers slightly moist soil. Placing it near a sunny bedroom window can help encourage healthy blooms and stronger fragrance. Although it requires a little more attention than some low-maintenance plants, many plant lovers believe its beauty and wellness benefits are worth the effort. Jasmine is truly one of the best bedroom plants for creating a cozy, relaxing, and refreshing sleep environment. Bedroom plants do so much more than make your space look beautiful. The right plants can help improve air quality, create a calming atmosphere, reduce stress, and even support better sleep. Whether you choose the oxygen-boosting snake plant, the relaxing scent of lavender, or the elegant peace lily, each plant brings its own unique wellness benefits into your home. Even better, many of these plants are easy to care for, making them perfect for beginners and experienced plant lovers alike. Adding just 1 or 2 plants to your bedroom can completely change the feeling of your space and make it more peaceful, cozy, and refreshing. Nature has a powerful way of helping us feel calmer and more connected, especially in the place where we rest every night. Which bedroom plant would you love to add to your room first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more indoor plant tips, wellness ideas, and home decor inspiration. See you in the next video.